try him later. I just want to talk about a Fiat Motorhome. I don't know whether he does that sort of thing, but... Ah, that's okay. Oh, I'll try later. Thank you. Bye.
So we've had a bit of an issue with our motorhome. We're a matter of weeks out from our trip now, and the gears have decided to play up on us. So what's happening is it says check transmission handbook, and then gears unavailable. So at the moment we can't get any gears in the motorhome. So Dave's been out here every night after work trying to get it sorted, and I'll just see if we can bring this code up to show you. Okay, so she's not going to start at all at the moment. We've just spent $300 or $350 on a new battery, thinking that that might have been the issue as well. And it wasn't the issue. We had a 92 AH battery in. I'm not sure what the AH is, but I'm sure all you mechanically minded people out there do. And we replaced it with a 110. Okay, so let's just have a look at this. So this is what it's doing when
Check transmission and light flashing down there. No idea what's wrong with it.
So it's not playing nice. We've tried everything. We've been on all your Facebook forums, all the comments and posts of people having similar situations. We've tried turning the steering wheel one way, then hard back the other way, pumping the door. Somebody recommended the fuses that were down here, middle row, third one down, see if it's okay. We've tried so many different options, taken all the advice that's been on the Facebook comments and different forums that we've had, and we still can't get this thing to go. We put our scanner on the motorhome as well. Unfortunately, our scanner didn't detect a problem. So we've contacted a friend of the family who is going to come out on Sunday, which is 2 days from now, and just run his truck scanner on it and see if we can detect a problem. So once we know what the problem is, hopefully we'll be able to book it into someone to get fixed. Where we live in the Shoalhaven, so there's not too many service centres around here, and from what we understand the closest is Carlton, so the Fiat service centre, which means that we're going to have to get a truck to tow it up there. So yeah, not really happy with her at the moment. We're doing our best to try and get everything sorted, and hopefully we'll know some more. We do have a guy at Kiama who we're trying to get hold of as well, that has a bit of experience with these engines, that again we read on Facebook. So thank you for that, and we'll try and contact him again this afternoon. But at the moment that's where we're at, and she's not going anywhere. So we'll keep you updated and let you know what's happening with it. And yeah, because apparently this fault that's coming up on the dash, it can be one of a million things. And we've tried the fluid, checking the fluid, which is down where Dave is now. It's down in there somewhere, and we've topped that up. We've made sure that everything is right under the hood, but still can't find the issue. So we'll keep looking at it, and if we get any answers we'll definitely let you all know. Common problem but again it can be a variety of a million different things. So at the moment I'm just working through the gears so Dave can see what's happening under the hood. So we've got reverse, actually no, the error lights come on again, see handbook. It wasn't doing that before. Oh, here we go. So we've got neutral again. It doesn't want to go into one. So it actually doesn't want to go into first gear now, David. So Dave's just checking to see what's happening under the hood when I'm changing gears, just to see what we can work out. Yeah, willing to try anything at this stage because everything that we try, it's not working. So we've also tried turning the ignition on and off, on and off, on and off, like somebody suggested as well. We've tried disconnecting the battery and trying to reset the engine. I think we have tried everything possible under the Facebook comments and as well as any Fiat forums, and we just can't find the answers. So we're just going to keep trying, keep exploring, keep looking until we can get the scanner put it on Sunday, and hopefully that'll detect the problem, as I said before, and then we'll work out what we do from there depending on what the problem is. Hubby is a fitter by trade, so not that he has any experience on the Fiats, but he's mechanically or technically minded, so most things when it comes to the ute or our cars or whatever, not a problem. He can generally service it, but this is an issue that is just totally blown us, so we're not sure what's happening with it. So we'll keep trying, and at the moment like I said, I'm just working through the gears so that Dave can find out what's going on underneath, and hopefully we can get some answers. In the meantime, like I said, if we do get an answer, we'll keep you updated.
We get your truck having to get down here. Come over a bit, just get as straight as we can. Get it going, and then just come this way, and then we'll get it.
Yep. she's all loaded, ready to go, and hopefully gets there safely now, and we'll just have to wait for the result. But if you ever need a tow truck driver, Prestige Tilt and Tow Vehicles, Julian, he's been great for us. He does a 3-hour trip down here to pick anything up or deliver it for us, and he's delivered a Bobcat in the past as well, and he's just a really lovely bloke, so takes a lot of care. So off she goes.